no trae nada. Veamos media hora en la calle. Mira. Media hora, güey. Media hora ya te paraste, güey. Damn, bro. Saludito viejo para la cámara. Acá anda el novio de Alex. Miren el novio de Alex. Ay, con permiso, viejito. ¿Vieron el novio de Alex o no? Yo puras cocas todo el día, güey. Valmas agarró una agüita. I need some water in my system. Se me hace el radiador, viejo. Tan perra las chanclas de este vato, no mames. What's up, Alex? You just woke up or what?
Good morning, sunshine.
Mira nomás.
Qué hermosura. Qué chulada de pelado.
Qué chulada de pelado, viejo.
What? Good. What's up, guys? This is your boy Perrillo and Wakala with another video. Wakala just drove unas 5 horas ago. About 5. He let me sleep.
5.
He let me sleep a little bit, you know.
All the way. Mira, esa es la iglesia. Ahí es donde se va a casar el perrillo. Con la perrilla. Ahí se va a casar.
Oh my God, is that stud? A la verga están las GoPros nomás.
I think we got some cameras, guys.
I think that's enough.
Güey, saluda a la cámara, güey. No seas así.
Stop, bro.
Te prendí el giro a la verga este vato.
Oh, va a estar tan bueno. Mira, el viejillo. He's like, I'm on that gas.
God, we on that gas. Yeah, boy.
So you're on the gas. Oh, I'm on that gas.
Le prendí el giro a mi compadre. Se le viene calentando la...
You didn't even know.
Se le viene calentando el horno al viejo. Baja la ventana, pinche viejo marihuano. Lesbiano.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to ONDGAS Show, and we're back with another video. And today we're not at the shop. We're not in California. We are not in West Texas. We're not in Colorado. Where we at, Frank?
We're out here in Atlanta at Atlanta Motor Speedway for Bandas y Trocas.
That is right. Bandas y Trocas Atlanta is going down tomorrow. Finally, I feel like I've been talking about this for the past month, bro.
Yeah, it's been a while.
It's not been a while. It's actually just been this week. So we're actually just pulled up here not too long ago. We got everything set up. We got the whole squad. We got the whole drug addicts over there.
Got Saucy.
We got Saucy. We got everybody out here. Bandas y Trocas is going down tomorrow. They got a badass banda lineup. Of course, we're gonna put on a show for you guys here in Atlanta, as well as, where is Freddy? I thought us and Freddy were gonna turn it up on the pit. He's not here.
I think you probably got scared a little bit, bro.
Huh?
So, if you came through the booth, cop you some On The Gas merch, took a picture with your boys, make sure you tag us on Instagram, all that good stuff. We appreciate the support.
If you're watching this and you took a picture with us and bought some merch, make sure to tag us on the Gas Instagram.
That's right, at On The Gas. Simple. Yeah. Follow us on Instagram, follow us on YouTube.
Perrillo's been getting smoked here lately. It's 0 and 3.
And people are crying about it, bro, in the comments.
People are so upset because we're actually picking on Perrillo. They think that we're bullying Perrillo. Y'all forgot that we bought this truck for him. Yeah, they talking about like, hey man, y'all need to stop picking on Perrillo. Y'all need to do this to his truck, do that. No, we don't gotta do a goddamn thing.
It's part of the motivation.
It's part of the hustle, bro. Yeah. Like, hey, you gotta lose some to win some. Now, he's not gonna stay stock forever. We'll eventually put a cam, maybe some heads, maybe a turbo, maybe a supercharger. I don't know. Where is your truck, bro? Because last night, Perrillo said he wanted some tiny sauce.
He gonna get that tiny sauce. It's coming. It's coming. I talked to the guy yesterday and it's coming. So we're just gonna put a 6.0 in there, something light.
So y'all gonna have the same setup?
Same setup, similar setup.
So it's just gonna be up to the driver.
Up to the driver.
And you're not that good, bro.
Hey, your boy was fucking up last time.
That was the pass, bro. That was the pass.
Yesterday he got smoked. 187 was the case.
187.
Yes. Murder
Bad.
was,
It was bad, bro.
Murder was the case.
It was
Yes,
bad.
Yes. But it's all fun and game, guys. You know, don't take it too serious. We're all having a good time. We're just trying to create content for you guys watching, for all the supporters. For all the fans, y'all make sure to like and subscribe to his channel because we got a lot of exciting things coming up. We were just in the Hoonigans last week, Frank?
Last Wednesday.
Last Wednesday. This Wednesday or last Wednesday?
Last Wednesday.
Last Wednesday, yes. And we're going back. That's why y'all gotta subscribe to his channel. We're going back. It's gonna be a truck thing now. Unfortunately, we do not have crawfish right now at the moment. It's actually under surgery. We're doing a BBL on it. You know what a BBL is?
Yeah.
You need a BBL. Crawfish, it's under surgery right now. We're actually cutting a little bit of weight. We're also doing a different suspension in the rear. We're doing front suspension. It's gonna be crawfish 3.0. Y'all motherfuckers ain't ready for that.
You guys ain't ready.
If y'all are, y'all make sure to pull up.
OTM October 15 at Houston Raceway Park. That's gonna be even a crazier event because we have that 4x4 class,
We
bro.
do have a 4x4 class, so there's pretty much no rules, just no diesels. No diesels, and we all gotta be on the same size tire.
Why do we not want diesels? Because people are gonna be like, what the fuck, this and
We're
that.
just trying to keep it more competitive. The diesels show up and they're pretty much, I mean, not talking down on the diesels, but they're all stripped down. These trucks still look like trucks. At the end of the day, they're still complete. I think
We all think.
that it'll be more funner if it's just gas trucks and then keep it in between us because, I mean, you got Manuel at midnight, he got 4 or 5 trucks. We got Velocity, he probably has another 2 or 3 trucks. We got Freddy, Gremlin with the homie. I mean, we all know each other. That'll be fun. We don't want we don't want outsiders coming out, you know, with a diesel all stripped down. I'm not saying that we're slow and we're scared. If we keep it in between us, it'll be a lot funner like that.
But if you have a 4x4 gas truck, small tire, and you want to come get some sauce, come get that $1,000 or $10,000.
So it's $1,000 buy-in. All the shit talking that we be doing on the videos, don't take it up the ass. It's all promotion for OTM. It's just business-wise. You know what I'm saying? If you're smart, you'll see it in the long run.
This is where we separate the man from the boys because $1,000 buy-in ain't no joke.
$1,000 buy-in. So let's just say we have 10 trucks. $1,000 buy-in each truck. How much is that?
10 G's.
That's 10 G's. You can take 10 G's. And we're not splitting it.
Winner take all.
Winner take all. Now, if the last pair, if they want to split it, they can split it. But on the last pair, if one of the guys doesn't want to split it, it's winner take all.
What about if you're in the finals? You gonna split it?
I ain't splitting shit. Either I'm taking it all or I ain't taking shit.
Wakala, we splitting or no?
I explain nothing.
Nothing. We got the Valley Boys. You know, Shrek has a couple 4x4s. Wakala is actually coming for that sauce too.
So there's a potential sponsor that wants to throw $5,000 on top of the 4x4 class. So if you have 10 buy-ins and that 5,000, that's 15 G's to take home, bro.
That's yes. So if we get 15 trucks, that's 1,000 each. That's 15,000 plus the 5,000 with the sponsor. If he comes in, that's 20,000. You can take $20,000 home. Besides that, we're gonna put on a show for you guys. So I'll make sure to pull up OTM October
15 at Houston Raceway Park. Remember, we still have a few spots available for sponsorships. So if you're interested, make sure you send me an email at tiny@onthegas or hit this phone number up and I'll be in contact with you guys. But you also have to make sure you subscribe to this channel because we have some exciting content like Beto says. We got the rig. Little Uzi went to Street Outlaws.
Yes.
We got Hoonigans.
Yes.
All that content is coming.
It's coming.
We just have to wait because we signed disclosure agreements and all this crap. So for legal reasons, all that has to wait.
Not only that, but once the time gets closer to OTM, we're gonna be giving away free tickets to our subscribers. At least, I don't know, 50 tickets, bro. Yes.
Hold on.
Yeah.
50.
50 tickets. You gotta be subscribed to his channel.
And they gotta be part Team Tiny.
No.
All Team Tiny. You just gotta be subscribed to his channel. We're gonna be giving away 50 tickets for OTM October 15. So y'all don't wanna miss out. We're actually here in Atlanta. We pretty much got everything set up. I mean, it's not actually set up all 100%, but we're gonna wait for tomorrow. Supposed to be a little bit of rain tonight, so that's why the canopies are down. Everything's put up. Takashi is ready to fuck it up tomorrow in the pit. We're gonna go to a house. We're gonna be staying in East Atlanta. So right now, take the drive with us. We're pretty much gonna do a daily vlog of today. We never usually do this.
We're gonna show you guys what we do during the trips whenever we go out of town because we never film the house scene, the food and this and that. All the these guys smoke.
Oh
Ain't no drugs here.
Big shout out to Bandas y Trocas. They use 2 of our trucks, Takashi, and the new Fat builds, the SEMA build. This is actually pretty cool, bro.
It is, it is.
We need to do this. Take
You wanna do some stuff
yeah,
like that?
take some notes, bro. Anyways, let's go.
Oh my god. Is that stuff?
We're somewhere in Atlanta, I don't know where, but we're still like 30 minutes away from our Airbnb, but we decided to stop and get some food. But we're here, we're gonna get some grub at Hooters. This is our first stop before we get to the house.
All right, guys. So we just went to Hooters. The food was terrible.
Terrible.
Profe, what you get? You got some wings?
I got the Daytona wings because I didn't want the breading, but it was still terrible.
I got the breading and it was not good. The shrimp and the cheese sticks were good. The iced tea was really sweet. We're not gonna sit here and complain and talk shit about Hooters. We like Hooters. What we all thinking, Tiny should get a Tundra. This truck fits him perfect. Like, it's just, look at this guy. Look how big this guy is. And look, the seat is white as fuck too. And he vapes now. He don't smoke anymore.
Any comment, Tiny?
I'm full right now.
Tiny's the only one who like Hooters.
So this is the everyday Tiny.
Yeah.
This is what you guys don't see.
One day we're gonna give Tiny the camera. We're gonna send Saucy with this guy all day long because y'all want Tiny on the videos.
We're gonna give you guys what y'all want.
Yes.
That point of view of Tiny's life.
Yes.
The real Tiny.
The real Tiny, yeah. This guy just sits on his truck all day, smokes cigarettes. Just.
Well, now he's vaping though.
Oh yeah.
Contemplating life.
Yeah.
Contemplating life.
Just put the camera on his face, bro. Just leave it there for a little bit.
Just wrong.
What's up, guys? We out here with another video. Nah, I'm straight, dog. You know what I mean? I like to party and fucking jump. Shit.
Go.
What happened?
I don't know. He started fucking with the shifter. He dropped his phone.
Alex is hauling ass. He's gonna try to beat us there so he can get a bed, but
He came, bro.
little does he know we have the code.
Yes.
And this thing's fucking sluggish.
You're more sluggish, bro.
Ain't nothing more sluggish than Tiny, bro.
Yeah, so we just left Hooters. Hooters wasn't all that. I mean, we've been to some good Hooters and we've been to some bad Hooters. It's just like that. Prof's kind of picky. He gets a little female sometimes. Like those commercials you see where he eats sneakers. That's Prof sometimes.
Sneakers or Snickers?
Sneakers.
Come on, bro.
But with Prof, instead of sneakers or sneakers, however you say
Snickers.
Snickers.
it's a cigarette and a Coke Zero.
Hey,
That's the only way.
Say cinnamon.
Cinnamon.
Say Guadalajara.
Guadalajara. Guadalajara.
Say Smirnoff.
Smear off. This ain't no fuck y'all. You think I'm here just to entertain you guys or what?
Whatever, make me a bicycle clown.
You are.
Yeah, so right now we're just fucking
just
34 minutes away from the fucking house.
Say Fort Worth.
Fort Worth.
Still can't say it.
Yeah, so this is a little bit back of the scenes. We just ate.
This is behind the scenes.
Back of the scenes. We just ate. I had 4 boneless wings
And a salad.
and a salad and a diet water.
Alright guys, we finally made it back to the house. The life of a YouTuber. We got 2 cameras right now going on. What we doing, Frank?
So this is the behind the scenes, the hustle behind it. Whenever we travel, whenever we go somewhere, we're still editing on the go. So we're still uploading on the go. And to keep the daily vlogs, we gotta still edit and film and do everything.
So it's not like we come out of town and we're just chilling.
Oh no, we're still work getting done.
There's still chilling.
There's still a lot of work getting done.
Yeah, so this video comes out today.
Tonight,
Which
yes.
is, today's Friday.
Today's Friday, this video's for Friday. It was filmed yesterday.
Yes.
So I've been working on it the whole way on the plane.
yes.
Any downtime we had at Hooters, I had my laptop out just to give you guys more content.
There you go. So y'all stay tuned. Y'all make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Also, we got my boy Saucy here. This guy's a guy that actually has been helping us out with the cinematics, or what do we call it, the reels and shit.
The cinematics, the reels, and all the in-between stuff.
So here we go. He's the guy that actually did that video right there. If you can see it. So we got 2 cameras in action right now.
So yeah, and it's our new addition. So
Yes.
now we're gonna have badass cinematics, badass content. He's really good at cinematics. I suck at cinematics. I'm good with vocals and vlogging and things of that nature. He's an ace in this. So now us teaming up is gonna be something big.
Yeah,
It's gonna take it to the next level.
for sure. So y'all make sure to stay tuned for the vlogs. We got Va a tronar el pedo, dice el guacala. We're outside, we're here in Atlanta, having a good time. Perrillo and Tiny actually went to go pick up Tito. Or they're actually just pulling up. What the fuck? This is crazy. Literally, I was just walking outside. Who's pulling up? Where's Tito?
He's gonna go pick him up right now.
Oh, Tito ain't here yet? All right, I thought Tito was coming.
What's up, what's up? We out here. I just went to Walmart, got some supplies, got some air mattresses, because this time we packed down.
We're rolling deep today. We're rolling deep. We didn't expect that many people to come with us, you know. It's usually about 6 or 7, but today's 11 with Tito and X. We got the Denali inside. Once they're done, they're gonna go pick up Tito and X. We out here chilling, man.
Cigarro, compadre, un cigarro,
Cigarrito.
compadre.